In the previous video, we did doubling, that was part 1 of lesson 2, and in this video we'll do halving, that's coming up. Okay, halving is opposite of doubling. Let's say I want to do half of 8. This is easy, it's 4. Half of 60 is 30, and if I do half of 30, it's 15. Okay, let's do this practice and then we'll move on for a little bigger numbers. Okay, let's say we want to do half of 46. Half of 4 is 2 and half of 6 is 3, or I can say half of 40 is 20 and half of 6 is 3, so 20 and 3 is 23. Let's say half of 54 I want to do. Now 54 is 50 plus 4, so half of 50 is 25 and half of 4 is 2, it makes 27. In our mind we can do half of 50, that is 25, and half of 4, that is 2, and 25 plus 2 is 27. Let's do one more and then we'll do practice. 78, half of 70, that is 35, plus half of 8 is 4, so it's 39. 35 plus 39. Okay, do this practice, then we'll move on. Okay, let's use the technique of number splitting that we used before also. Let's say I want to do half of 178. 178, I know it's 100 plus 70 plus 8. So half of 100 is 50 and half of 70 is 35 and half of 8 is 4, and then we add the results, that's 89. So half of 178 is 89. Let's do this practice and then we'll move on. Okay, this halving technique can be used for dividing by 4 and 9, as doubling was used for multiplying by 4 and 9. So let's say I want to divide 72 by 4. So instead of doing half of it, I will do 2 times half of it. So half of 70 is 35 and half of 2 is 1, so 35 and 1 is 36. Again I'll do half. Half of 30 is 15 and half of 6 is 3, so 15 and 3 is 18. If you are you think it's overwhelming, let's do them separately. 70 is 70, 72 is 70 plus 2, and half of 70 is 35 and half of 2 is 1, so it becomes 36. And after 36, 36 is 30 plus 6, half of 30 is 15 and half of 6 is 3, so it makes 18. So after this is what should be going on in your mind, and then after some practice you can do it mentally without writing. But unless you are comfortable with that, keep writing it and just use the same method I'm telling you, and then you will be fine. Let's do one more, then we'll do practice. Let's say I want to divide 104 by 8. Half of 100 is 50 and half of 4 is 2, so 50 and 2 is 52. Then half of 50 is 25 and half of 2 is 1, so 25 and 1 is 26. Then again, because we are dividing by 8 not 4, we have to half it thrice. So half of 20 here is 10 and half of 6 is 3, so 10 and 3 is 13. So that's my answer. 104 divided by 8 is 13. Okay, let's do this practice, then we'll move on. If you are struggling with numbers or mathematics, this channel is generally for you. And if you are good with numbers, then this channel is particularly for you because you can help others. In the next video, we'll do extending your tables. Have fun with numbers.